At School of Computers and Data Science, Badya University, we have a strong vision built on working with leading international academic experts. Our collaboration with the University of Texas Tyler is a very important step in this direction. The University of Texas Tyler is a well-respected American university with a strong academic and research environment and significant expertise in computer science and related technology fields. This makes it an ideal partner for developing the different computing programs at Badya University. When we chose the University of Texas Tyler, we were choosing strong academic and research expertise that we can use to further develop our programs and improve the student experience at School of Computers and Data Science, Badya University. The agreement we signed with the University of Texas Tyler turns this partnership into a number of practical steps. One of the most important is reviewing and developing our curricula to match the latest global trends and practices in computer science and related fields, along with improving teaching methods and expanding the use of active and interactive learning. There is also a strong focus on research, which is a fundamental part of our vision at Badya University. We want our students not simply to receive information, but to become capable of conducting research, analyzing problems, solving challenges, and creating new solutions. The partnership also includes specialized workshops and courses in Egypt, in addition to an annual summer program at the University of Texas Tyler. This will give students and faculty members from our school an important opportunity to experience an international academic environment and gain valuable new knowledge and skills. We are building a different kind of educational experience, one that enables students to learn, apply, research, and innovate, while preparing them to adapt to the very rapid development of technology, both in Egypt and globally. Our goal is that when our graduate completes their studies, they will have more than just a degree in one of the computing fields. They will have strong knowledge, practical skills, research skills, and international experience that will help them compete and succeed in the job market, both in Egypt and internationally. That is why we see our collaboration with the University of Texas Tyler as much more than an academic agreement. It is a strategic partnership through which we are building the next generation of computing graduates at Badya University and preparing them not only for today's job market, but also for the jobs and challenges of the future.